Hello everyone. So for today's project we had topic related data recovery or data carving, and we have used the tool Foremost. We are doing this data recovery on a USB. The USB files were deleted few days back, so I am going to recover all the files. So it is for the subject computer forensics. First, let's discuss what is the computer forensics. It is the branch of digital forensic science which finds the legal evidence found in computer and digital storages. Going forward, so let me introduce me and my teammate. So I am Gurdeep Singh and my teammate is Paramdeep Singh. Going forward on this thing, we have few things to discuss about this project. First thing is, in this project we are recovering the data that was deleted, and it takes some time to recover that data, and we use the tool called Foremost. Foremost is the Linux based tool which was designed by US Army, and we are using this tool on a USB drive. It is the physical drive, so it has PDF, JPG, MP4, XML files that we are going to recover through it. So this is the whole report related to data forensics of the USB drive in which the data was deleted. In this, all the evidence in the detail related to the recovery of the data are there. So we will move forward to next. Okay, so first thing, we will discuss about the devices that we are using for this. The first thing that we are using is the USB. In the USB there were a lot of data what got deleted suddenly, so we have to recover that whole data for the genuine purpose. And to recover that data we need that tool Foremost, and we will be doing it on Kali Linux framework. So if I talk about the Kali Linux, the Kali Linux operating system is accessible and built on Debian. It is really designed for complex security audit and penetration testing type of things. There are a lot of tools in it, and tools like Foremost are pre-built in this. And the laptop I am using here is the HP laptop Pavilion. It's the i5 with 8 GB of RAM, so we need just that type of RAM to run these type of softwares. Moving forward, we will talk about what is data craving. It is the act of attempting to retrieve files without such an information is known as file craving. This is accomplished by examining the unprocessed data to determine what it really is. Is it text, executable, PNG, MP3 file, MP4 file, what type of data it is? There are many methods to accomplish this. What the easiest is to seek for the document signatures that serves as the start or the stop points for the document type. There are theoretical countless variations to try while carving files, which is a very complicated operation. Carving technology often makes heavy use of theorems and algorithms to make this task traceable. This is required for the finding of the accurate as well as from the perspective of the processing time. Modern file craving methods identify breakage location using statistical methodology like serial testing hypothesis. File craving is frequently used in conjunction with digital forensics investigations or with additional restoration attempts by data retrieval business. File craving could be done using either free or paid programs. Digital forensic investigations are frequently just as concerned in the information, for example, who possessed a document, how it was kept, and the date it was last edited. The main thing for this whole is that with the data craving we can extract the single file, a different type of file from the large data set that got deleted. And if we talk about this, they are the only software foremost for this work. So the answer is no. There are a lot of other softwares like FTK, Incase, TADDISC, REVIT, Artospy, Photorec. But the problem with all of these are some are really expensive and some are working automatically. But the foremost is like that can work manually, and it is the free of the cost, so it is the easiest way to do the computer forensics for this type of thing. Moving forward to our main work, so this is the first thing that we are going to discuss. So with the foremost first screenshot is that it will show us that what can we do with that, and these are the options that we get with the that what can we do with the foremost tool. Moving to the next one. Okay, so for this, first thing that we will do, we will find the location of our USB in our system. So like the command we run is the sudo fdisk1, and because it is for the root command we have to give out password, and it will give us the information about our USB drive, the like whole information. At the last of this picture we will see the device, written the device. It is written dev/sgv1. It is the address of the USB, and at the end it is the size of that USB. It is 14.5 GB left. And if we go forward, what we will see that in this they have given us many things, like we have to give the command that what type of thing we want to extract from the deleted files, where we want to store it, and how many. These are the few things. And if we talk more about this thing, like in this we have given the command sudo foremost vtjpg pdf mp4 exe qi. So in this we have given it four formats: jpg, pdf, mp4, exe. These are the four formats that we want it to extract from the deleted files for us. And we have given some other commands in this also. At the end we have given him the type where we want to save it. In this, the T stands for the type of file that we want to recover, like MP3, MP4, which type of file. Another thing is O. It will give us the output path of the file, where it will be stored. I tell where to recover the file. These are the commands which we will get all these files that will be recovered in the USB. And the thing is, it is the real-time processing that it started like at the last it is started the real-time processing. There are jpg pdf files that are being recovered by the tool. At the end there were almost 170 files that got recovered from there. And in the commands we have given it command that store that in our USB and create the it has created the folder from itself, system volume information. In this folder it will store all the files when they will get recovered from this. Further moving from this, like here, so it will again manage to distribute the files according to their terms. Like it will save the files, PDF file in the PDF format, MP4 files in the MP4 format, JPG files in JPG format, and EXE files are in the EXE format. Uh, and it has created there are different boxes for it, folders for it, and it will store in that. At the end, so there are a few questions that everybody has to ask. So first thing is, why do we need digital forensics? It is the only way through which we can catch the cyber criminals and we can collect the evidence against the cyber crimes. What type of file cannot be recovered? So any type of file which is overwritten can't be recovered. As the storage is overwritten, we can't recover that file. And there are many other techniques like head to footer technique which are used in this. So thank you